Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert a constant value to a column in Microsoft Excel. So we will use this data. Now, for example, I will create this data. So type this formula equal sign. Now select, then plus and select your value, then enter. Now double click on this result, and before this key insert $sign before and after. Now press enter again. Now just drag and drop like this. A very simple and easy formula. Insert to add constant value in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.